Welcome. I'm Christina Rogers, and I'm going to channel for you today. All right, one moment, please. Dear ones, I am Munara. I bring you tidings from the other side, from this side of the veil, and bring you the light and love. We wish to speak about divine neutrality today. On your planet, there is a beingness where each person has opinions. Now, this is true in all parts of life on your planet. And here on this side of the veil, there are also opinions, and yet there is a holding that all is correct, that there are many points of view. And so there is not this thing of taking a stance against one another or shaming one another or fighting over what is right or wrong. So we would like to discuss how you could arrive at divine neutrality. All right, we have a member of our team. One moment, please. Dear ones, I am Celestina. When you come to divine neutrality, you have the ability to hold what you have as true for you, and yet there is an acceptance of many different ways of coming at this same thing. Or there is an acceptance that another person, another being, could have a different point of view. When you allow all points of view, you let yourself be in greater peace, in greater neutrality, in less judgment, and less polarization of right and wrong. Indeed, we hear your cries of, but this is right for the planet, or this is harmful to others. We hear your cries. Indeed, this is difficult. Indeed, this is saying to step back and get a greater view of how another person might come to where they are. In order to come to this place, you must hold that each being is on a journey of learning and advancement that you may not be able to see. And we understand that there can be actions that are harmful to others, and that this is extremely painful. And we are not asking you to make those right. And yet we are asking you to step back and allow this to go on, as you do not know another's journey. You do not know what they have come to this planet to learn. You do not know what interactions they have had with these other beings in other times. Many times these harmful actions that are so painful to all actually serve the greater good because they open the hearts of all beings on the planet, or many beings on the planet, and thus change can come about. We are not encouraging actions that are harmful to one another, but we are trying to give you a greater point of view where you can have allowance for all things as they are. Indeed, dear ones, it takes practice. It takes work with oneself to generate this distance to this bigger point of view and this allowance that maybe you cannot see at all, that you do not know another's journey. All right, we would ask you to come to this neutrality as often as you can. And indeed, where you see pain and you would wish to make someone wrong, heal your heart. Come back to your heart and give yourself love, and give the planet love, and give the beings who have taken the hard actions love, and ask for the highest and best outcome for all concerned and for your planet Earth, and ask for being able to see the bigger view and to hold love for all concerned. All right, this is what we leave you with. All right, that was the point of view from our dear Celestina. Dear ones, as I always say, hold the bigger point of view, come back, get the big view, and from there is room for many ways of being. All right, many blessings, much love. Okay, that was the team.